Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to check your balance on PayPal. What you need to do, first just go to paypal.com and then click login. After that you enter here your email and password. After that click login. Here just remind me later. And then you can see here PayPal balance. Here is the balance on Thai baht and here is in USD. This is what you need to do if you want to check your balance on PayPal. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.